For these ideas, you'll need rubber bands in a variety of sizes and widths. I found mine at Dollar Tree. Hold your stemware in place. Use a long rubber band by looping it through on one side of your dishwasher. Then pull it across the stemware and hook it onto the other side of the dishwasher, either by edge or prong. Roll up t-shirt, pants, and more. Hold them into place with a rubber band. It'll help you be organized and get more into your suitcase. If you have a shower caddy that keeps slipping down, wind a rubber band around the neck of the shower head and it'll hold that caddy in place. Open a tough jar. Put a wider rubber band around the lid of a jar and it will help you open those tough jars. Place your lid onto your casserole dish and use a rubber band to hold the lid down onto the handles. This will keep your lid stable during transport. Put rubber bands on either end of a hanger. Then hang your clothing onto the hanger. It'll keep tanks in place as well as short and long sleeve t-shirts that are prone to slipping off. Place a rubber band on either end of your cutting board and it will help hold the cutting board still while you're working on it. Stop a door from slamming. Hook a wide rubber band around one handle. Crisscross the rubber band and hook it onto the other handle. This will slow the door down when it gets closed so it doesn't slam. I hope this inspires you to use rubber bands in a unique way in your home. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Hey YouTubers, thanks for watching. To never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And to be inspired for your next DIY project, click here.